Hi, this is Dr. Namrata. Today in this video going to very useful for you, because today in this video I will tell you the very common and important problem, that is the fever. In this video I will tell you what is fever, what are the causes behind it, what are the symptoms of it, and how can we treat it. Today I will tell you the very effective top 5 homeopathic medicine which are very safe for feverish condition. So watch this video till then, stay with me. Let's get started. Before starting the video, if you haven't not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos that talks about what are the top 5 homeopathic medicine for your fever. Before knowing the homeopathic medicine for the fever, you have to understand first what is fever. Fever is an elevated body temperature, usually more than 100.4 Fahrenheit or 38 degree centigrade or above. Usually fever is a sign of it denotes that our body is fighting up with infection or any illness. That talks about what are the causes behind the fever. The first cause is that any types of infection like bacterial infection, viral infection or fungal infection, it may cause the fever. Second cause is that if you are suffering from certain diseases like autoimmune disorders or rheumatoid arthritis, you may suffer fever. And the third is certain medications can cause the fever like antibiotics and anti-seizure drugs. Fourth is that it is due to the heat exertion. So these are the certain causes behind the fever. Let's talk about what are the symptoms. In this, there is an elevated body temperature, there is a chills and the shivering, and also there is an intense headache, and also there may be the muscle ache, loss of appetite, fatigue, and also in this and sore throat. Sometimes nausea and vomiting can be seen, sometimes abdominal discomfort, loose motion, and also there may be loss of appetite, intense fatigue and drowsiness. So all these are symptoms related to the fever. Let's talk about what are the homeopathic medicine to cure your fever. The first important indicated medicine will be the aconite. Aconite is a very effective homeopathic medicine. It is indicated in the initial stage of the inflammation, and also aconite is indicated when there is a sudden onset of fever, there is an intense body heat and intense burning, and also there is a sore throat, and in this the patient may feel restlessness also. So in this condition you can take aconite, and also aconite is indicated when fever occurs due to the exposure of cold things like cold air, cold drinks, cold water or ice cream. Taking ice cream, you can use the aconite. You have to take aconite in a 30 potency, repeat every 15 minutes, and you have to take 4 drops at the interval of 15 minutes. After that you will get relief. On getting relief, you have to take this medication for 1 to 3 days. After that you can stop it. And the second indicated medicine will be the gelsemium. Gelsemium is also very effective homeopathic medicine. It is indicated in the viral fever, and also it is indicated in the flu. If you have the problem of fever, along with you have the very drowsiness, with fear you feel dullness and drowsiness, and you have no thirst. In this condition you can take gelsemium. You have to take gelsemium in a 30 potency, 2 drops directly in a tongue, repeat every 15 minutes, and you have to take after getting relief you have to repeat this medication 1 to 3 days. And the third medicine will be the belladonna. Belladonna is also very effective homeopathic medicine. It is indicated the initial stage of the fever, initial stage of the inflammation. Along with fever there is a sore throat and there is a pain during swallowing, there is a intense heat and there is a intense burning, face is a red. In this condition you can take the belladonna, and also you have the intense headache. In this condition you have to take belladonna. You have to take belladonna in 30 potency, 2 drops directly on your tongue, repeat this medication 15 minutes, and definitely you will get very good result. After that the fourth medicine will be the arsenic album. Arsenic album is also very effective homeopathic medicine. The indication of the arsenic, there is the internal chill and external heat, and also patient is very restless and there is a burning heat on the body. In this condition you can take the arsenic album, and also when there is the fever relapse again and again, in this condition you can take arsenic. You have to take arsenic in a 30 potency, 2 drops directly on your tongue. Repeat this medicine at the 15 minutes interval. After that, the last medicine will be the Ferrum Phos. It is also very effective homeopathic medicine for the feverish condition. It is indicated in the initial stage of the fever, and this is indicated for the initial stage of the fever. If your fever is relapsing again and again in this condition, you can take Ferrum Phos. Also, if you have the low immunity, you can take the Ferrum Phos. You have to take Ferrum Phos in a 6x potency, 4 tablets thrice in a day. You have to take this medicine for 7 days. Definitely you will get very good result. So friends, this was some top 5 homeopathic medicine for the fever. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.